Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start with essentials: a data-capable USB cable and active mobile data. Plug the phone into the PC and unlock the device so settings are accessible. On Android, open Settings, right arrow Network, right arrow Hotspot and Tethering, and flip USB tethering on. On iPhone, go to Settings, right arrow Personal Hotspot and enable. Make sure your carrier plan permits tethering. Once done, the phone exposes a USB network interface to the computer, so the machine can request internet through your mobile connection. Now get the computer to recognize the phone as a network adapter. On Windows, check Device Manager and let it install drivers automatically. If automatic fails, download the OEM ensthy driver or use Windows Update. Once driver is present, open Network Connections and ensure the USB adapter is set to obtain IP automatically, DHCP. If you use manual IPs, assign matching subnet and gateway from the phone. Make sure the adapter metric is lower than other interfaces, so traffic prefers the tethered link. Finish by testing connectivity. Open a browser and load a page or ping 888 to validate routing. If it works, make sure DNS resolves and that PC firewall rules allow outbound traffic. If the link is slow, disable Wi-Fi temporarily to ensure traffic uses the USB path and check signal strength on the phone. Troubleshooting tip: if the computer never shows a network, change the phone's USB mode to ensthy/USB Ethernet or reinstall the ensthy driver on the PC. Switching USB ports or using a known good cable often fixes stubborn detection problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.